Ward Amy, his first flight starting Saturday morning. PT-23. Eduardo Estevez taxiing out for his first flight on Saturday morning. Spacewalker from Brazil. Nice one, Eduardo. And turn into the sun. Look at that thing shine.
Okay, we have Dick Hansen doing his third round of competition. Setting up for his
Larry Shepard on the camera.
go. And he's down.
Ken Safer, bullfighter. Overshoot. Gus Stutzman. Oh, nice one, Gus. Oh, touch and go. Okay, Ken Safer's walked out in the middle of the grass strip so he can be a little closer to the hard top for his landing, which is coming up. Very nice. Ken is down. The ace. John Elliott, an overshoot. Okay, John Elliott's coming in for his landing, it looks like. Yep, he's down.
He's one half of Proctor Enterprises. He has the Falter D7.
Okay, Gary Parker's getting into position for his takeoff.
This is an 88-inch wing aircraft, weighs 25 pounds, and horses to Proctor Kit.
Taxiing, maybe he's doing a taxi maneuver. He's getting ready to roll.
Rudolph Stark, Yost, 35th Season Fireproof. And it's the camouflage pattern, and you'll notice if you look at this real close at lunchtime, that the color...
Quigley, Baby Ace. Nolan taxiing out for his takeoff for Saturday morning. He's our webmaster for Scale Masters. Electric. Spacewalker. Oh, I guess he's going to change ends. Okay, Art is in the air.
This particular aircraft is modeled.
John Cole from Phoenix, Arizona. Hansa Brandenburg. Nice one, John.
122-inch aircraft, weighs 19.5 pounds, and is built for his own plane. It's covered with super cover. He has the yellow beach craft that
Beechcraft P34 Mentor. Position. And he's going. Very pretty. I think John Cole just dropped a bomb. I hope it was a bomb because something fell off. God, who's here? It's Bert. How's everything up there, Bert? How you doing? Good to see you. Good to see you, Bert. John Cole. Because I'm metallized 51.
This particular aircraft has a real...
Look at that. Look at that. How do you beat that? Nice. Eugene Job, Steve Fury. This aircraft is a past champion at U.S. Scale Masters Championships. Mustang is down. Somebody. Okay, Eugene Job is coming in. Flaps down. He's gonna walk away from that one. We got Rich Babcock from Idaho. This Newport 17. His first flight for Saturday morning. It's a great flying airplane. The sound is terrific too. It's got a great big prop on a two-stroke. He's got the muffler stuffed up so that it gets good. Dave Lovett, Willits, California. Randy Hansen. Jerry Nelson doing his thing for Model Airplane News. Smile. Hey,
Randy Hansen from Astor, Oregon has just taken off in the Cessna 188 Ag Wagon.
nice one, Randy.
123-inch plane, 38 pounds, manufactured. Is built from...
For that, always coming down. Okay, he's gonna dust the fields. There he goes. Don't hit those trees, Randy, attaboy. Babcock looks like he's heading into his figure 8. Very nice, Rich. Tip for Bernie Borland with a Stinson. Nice one, Dave. Touch and go. Jeff Lovett, Newport 11. Oh no, that's Rich Babcock, Newport 17. Sorry about that, sports fans. Nice one. Nice one, Dave. As usual. They're looking for the Corsair over there. The Corsair of Spangenberg hit that tree there on a flyby and spiraled into the ground. We even got Jack Linhart over there helping out. Look at that, look at that. Bernie Borland. Very nice. Very nice. Jason Tate, team scale with Dick Heining. Stan with us from Model Aviation, right, Stan?
Yeah.
You're a good man.
You too?
Getting some good pictures?
Anyway, I hope.
We're sure glad you came. Rolling. Jason Tate is down. Oh, touch and go, touch and go. Dick Heining's Fokker D7, 1/4 scale kit. Proctor. Very nice. Gear down. That means the next maneuver is a landing, I bet. Uh-oh, 1.5 gear down. Hopefully it's going to go out and lock. Corolla.
Heavy one.
There's a Sea Fury. Uh-oh, he missed the grass. But that was a good one. We're expecting big things out of you.